people, so welcome back again. Today we're making lightening body glow oil. So this lightening oil is actually a kind of oil we'll be formulating with water-based ingredients, but at the end of the day it is body oil that we are making, so be sure to watch the video to the end. So this oil can be applied on the face and can be applied on the body. This oil is going to fade out every dark spot, hyperpigmentation. If you're having uneven skin tone, you're having dark patches here and there, it's going to brighten the skin. So first of all, my beaker is clean and sterilized. Everywhere is clean and sterilized, and of course you need a scale. So I am using water-based ingredient like I said earlier on. So first of all, I will be using my alpha arbutin powder. So I'll be adding my alpha arbutin powder into my beaker. I'm actually making 100 ml of my body oil, and like I said, this body oil can be used on the face. So this body oil will brighten the skin. That's my alpha arbutin. I'll be dropping all measurements on the screen. So next I'll be adding in my Snow White powder. So I'm using my Snow White powder at 2%. So next I'm adding in my niacinamide powder. I'm using a particular niacinamide called niacinamide PC. So this niacinamide powder helps repair your skin barrier. If you're having a damaged bleached skin, this is going to help to repair the skin barrier and help restore your skin. And yes, it can equally brighten the skin and glow the skin. And trust me, this oil can be used by every skin type. It doesn't bleach the skin or mess with your skin. It just makes your skin to pop out and glow the more. So next I'm going to add in my rose water. Trust me, this is rose hydrosol, and this actually smells nice. This is actually the kind of rose water that you see skincare formulators bottle, except for those people that import theirs directly from the company, but this is pure rose hydrosol. So I'm going to add in my rose water into my beaker. So I'm taking out those ones I've added into my beaker. And please do not forget, our skincare class is always ongoing. So if you've not enrolled for our skincare class, enroll for our skincare class. Yeah. So right now I'm going to dissolve this properly. I'm going to dissolve this properly, like you need to dissolve this. Dissolve properly. So keep dissolving until it becomes transparent. This skin lightening active I'm using, they dissolve easily, especially in cold water. So just keep dissolving. So next I'm going to add in my other ingredient. This is actually my Germa Plus preservative. So next I'm adding in my essential oil. I'm using Ylang essential oil. I love this essential oil. It smells so great. It smells so nice. So I am adding my Ylang essential oil here. You have to be careful so you don't over add. So actually everything I added in now are my water soluble active, except for my essential oil, which I'm still going to emulsify. So just make sure you blend very well. Okay, so this is our oil in the making. Make sure you blend very well, and make sure you're taking out those ingredients you've added. So next I'm adding in my baobab oil. Trust me, this is an oil formulation. It's just that we use water soluble active. So I'm going to add in my oil into my beaker. So do not forget, our online skincare class is always ongoing. If you want to learn how to make skincare products, we are here for you. Kindly enroll for our skincare class and learn from the best. Trust me, you're gonna learn and you will not regret learning from us. So I'm going to add in my oil here. So right away you can see that the water is settling down. You can see this is actually not emulsified. Can you see the way it is? Can you see? But you guys should just watch the video to the end. Like at the end of the video, we are going to get a perfect formulation. And note, water and oil does not mix together, but yes, we are going to mix this one. So next I'm going to add in my vitamin E, which is actually called tocopherol. Now for the skin lightening powders I use ARBUTIN niacinamide snow white powder. If you want to alternate it, you can alternate it. If you want to use oil soluble skin lightening active or powders, you can, like your Seppi white, Sim white, you can, but you have to dissolve it into your oil. Okay, you have to dissolve that one into your oil. But because I want to teach you how you can actually bind oils and water together, how you can use skin lightening water soluble powders to make glow oil, that is why I'm actually doing this method, and I hope you learned something from this. So you can alternate, use any skin lightening powders of your choice. You can choose to use any kind of preservative of your choice. You can use Optifen because that is very good for oil formulas. You can equally use a German product that I use because of course I'm making a water-based formulation, like we are combining water-based formulation and oil-based formulation. So anyone you want to use. So I'm going to add in my tocopherol in here. I just need a little quantity. So sure, this is not going to bind right now, but we are going to bind it. We're gonna fix this. All right, so I've added in all my ingredients. I'll just go ahead, tick out those ones I've added so I don't repeat them. Now we are adding one other ingredient. Now, so this is polysugar mousse D9. It's actually a kind of emulsifier that binds water and oil together. So for this one, you just add directly into your formula. You don't need to start beating about the bush, just like the way you use polysorbate. For that one, if you want to use polysorbate 80 or 20, you have to mix in another beaker. Probably mix your polysorbate with your vitamin E oil, with your essential oil, before you now pour into the water soluble active that will dissolve them, before you now pour your oils into it. But for this one, just pour in every ingredient, then you just add this, and of course it's going to emulsify. So let's continue. I love this emulsifier because it's so easy to use, very easy to use. You just drop it in like this. So at this point we need to give this a thorough stir. If possible, you can blend this. So this is my oil. I waited for some time to see if this will separate, and you can see this is actually becoming more transparent, very transparent. As you can see, let me bring it closer. Can you see? This is actually looking very transparent. So when this settles, it's going to look more transparent than this. Okay. So we made exactly 100 ml. You see why I said you need your scale? Apply on a damp skin. Yeah, it's going to bring out something like this, because holy sugar mousse is actually an emulsifier, so you're going to see something like this, but it fades off immediately. Like, can you see this oil is very, very lightweight. It's a lightweight oil. You can apply on your face, you can apply on your body, and it moisturizes the skin. Okay, very suitable for any skin type, every skin type. This oil is not greasy at all. It enters the skin immediately, and this oil is going to even out your skin tone, unify your skin, and you're going to see this instant glow immediately you apply this cream. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, if you want to enroll for any of our classes, just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen, or you just check under the description box. In the caption, you're going to see our WhatsApp link. You can just send us a WhatsApp message and we're going to attend to you. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video to people that will need it, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.